Hello little learners. Welcome to Fun Force. Today, we have a super fun math quiz for you. Are you ready to test your addition and subtraction skills? Let's go. What is 2 plus 2? Choose the correct answer from the options below. You got it. The answer is 4. Next question. What is 2 minus 2? Well done. The answer is 0. Next question. What is 4 plus 3? Great job. The answer is 7. Next question. What is 4 minus 2? Amazing. The answer is 2. Next question. What is 5 plus 1? Fantastic. The answer is 6. Next question. What is 5 minus 4? Great job. The answer is 1. Next question. What is 8 minus 3? You got it. The answer is 5. Next question. What is 4 plus 4? Well done. The answer is 8. Next question. What is 9 minus 6? Great job. The answer is 3. Next question. What is 6 plus 4? Well done. The answer is 10. Final challenge. Think carefully. What is 10 minus 3 plus 2? Wow, you're awesome. The answer is 9. Wow. You did an amazing job. Math is fun, right? Want more math challenges? Stay tuned for the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fun Force for more fun learning videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.